PRGS stock analysis and PRGS stock prediction. So what I will be doing in this brief and short 1 minute video is showing you my exact play with Progress Software Corporation. This is going, bro, this is so good, you know, pumping and pumping and pumping. And practically speaking, unless, okay, this is the top. This area. That was my idea. And honestly, from here, I'm looking to just double down. Right? Not anything is obviously going to be bought, but I'm talking now we're at 63 bucks. If I see a really good like clarity break beneath, just beneath 63, and there's like a proper shift, then bro, there's nothing stopping me from doubling down even more. I'm trying to get onto this, jump on this bandwagon. You know what I mean? So here's the top. All I'm doing in the meantime is I'm waiting. And if you want to learn how to make you 5-10K per month, click the first link in the description. It's the resources and insights that's taking me to that level. 1,200 people have tried it and it's risk-free. First link below.